When you received the machine, the buckle was already stuck here. This thing acts as a filter. It was installed before it left the factory. Put it in the bucket. Install the other end into the bottled water port. Be sure to install it tightly. Otherwise it will leak. Air leakage causes water absorption to fail, so make sure it installed tight. The length is about this deep. After power on, the machine will automatically detect the addition of water. This accessory is called a self-priming pump. If the machine doesn't pump water, first check that the wiring of the 12-volt self-priming pump is not loose. If the line is normal, check that the plug of the self-priming pump in the mainboard is not loose. It was connected in this place. Be sure to plug it tightly. Next, check if the self-priming pump is started. Self-priming pumps is humming, but there was still no water in the sink. Remove self-priming pump check valve. This is the check valve of the self-priming pump. We can find it by following the self-priming pump. This is the self-priming pump inlet pipe. Then take the check valve clip out. Then push this in and pull the pipe out. If there's any water coming out of here, prove that this self-priming pump is normal, then plug it back in.